Well, these are some more verbs I wanted us to look at, and I didn't write them down just for you to look at them and put in your book. I want you to know what the words are, and these are just simple sentences that actually uses I, you, we, and they all the way through here. Like we make a short statement. It was requested by somebody that we get some sentences in our verbs so you can kind of take a look at it. Like I drink pop. Nigatto shibrato. See, now when you learn the verb drink, laton is drink. There are forms of the same verb, you know. The forms of it is found in like I drink pop. And of course, pop is nigatushi. Nigatushi. Nigatushi.
What does that translate to? Nigatushi?
Popping water. Popping water. You know how it pop and fizzes? Yeah. But anyway, I drink pop. Now, what else could you put in there? What else can you drink? Yeah, I'm drinking tea. Jade monko. Yeah. But what if you were drinking whiskey? Does anybody know the word for whiskey? It's peideni. Peide is fire. Ni is water. Yeah. Yeah. Peideni. Yeah, that's, but they all say peideni. They all say peideni, but it's peideni. And, yeah, peideni. That's fire, water. But you could put any kind of drink in front of Blato and say, I drink. Or even you drink. Okay, so even if you said you drink, you would be also saying, like in this case, I put up there, Jade monko Blato. I drink tea. Or you drink tea. And you could say, Nigato shinato. Nigato shimonkon sabinato. And so, you know, this is just a usage of the one word to drink. And that's the simplest form you could put it in. And so learn the words, you know. You just learn the one, then you can put the other parts in there, you know, whatever it applies to. They drink, you know. Ni dato. They drink water. I could say ni blato. I drink water. I drink water. Ni blato. Ni is water. Yeah, you could say nigato shibrato, or you could say nigato shibrato tamike. Tamike is I will be drinking pop. I could say nigato shi laton tongaton. We will have drank pop. So this is just the introduction to the present tense. But the simple sentence is what you want to learn. That's important. You have to learn these simple sentences. So we won't touch that other stuff. All right, then you go on down to eat. We talked about that. Date. Date means to eat. So I ate a hamburger. Wamuske buta brate. Brate. It's not latte, but brate. Brate. Now, what else would you put in there? Like instead of a hamburger? Wamuske buta is a hamburger.
Cake?
Yeah, how would you say cake? Wamuske skide brate. It's the same as a cookie. Wamuske skide brate. So eating a cake or eating a cookie, it's understood in the context of what you're talking about. A cookie and a cake are two different things, but it's understood in the context of what you're speaking of in your conversation. Wamoskihi. Do you know what that is? There you go, wheat. Yeah, that's wheat, wamoskihi. Okay, now we're talking about latte. Did you eat? Washite nate a. So that's a form of to eat is nate, it's you, and a is a question. Okay? Washite is the bacon. Washite Natea. Natea. Did you eat, yeah, did you eat the bacon? Washinte natea. Wamoske te natea. Danuka te natea. What is danuka? It's meat. It's meat. Yeah, danuka. Danuka te natea. Did you eat the meat? Wajinga te natea. What's wajinga?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah. Did you eat the chicken? Wajinga te natea. 2 minutes after 12, and we're going to keep doing these. We'll finish these because we want to use every one of them. These are verbs that you're going to be using in the language. So I gave you 2 of them, so just figure out what you could put in there in those 2 verbs. I would suggest you take a look at the Ponca usage of both of them to drink and eat and see how they're used because they're not the same, you know. It's like blaton, naton, on laton, and daton. Those are all different, but they all mean drink.